In this video I will show you how can you see remove friends on Facebook. You can see here, can see here. If I come in this interface, I will can see whom I did remove as a friend in my Facebook. So this is the very simple process for finding those friends whom actually you unfriend earlier on your Facebook. So for seeing whom did you unfriend, you have to simply come here on your Facebook app. After come here on your Facebook app, you have to simply click here three line. After clicking here three line, you have to simply scroll down, then you will can see here settings and privacy. You have to simply click here settings and privacy, then you have to simply click here settings. After clicking here settings, you have to scroll down till to the, you can see here your activity, then you have to simply click here activity log. After clicking here activity log, you will can see here this kind of interface. You have to simply scroll down to connection, then you have to simply click here connection, then you have to simply click here manage friends. If you click here manage friend, you will find the friend whom you connected recently. Then after that, you have to simply click here filters. After clicking here filters, you have to simply click here categories. After clicking categories, you will can see here option remove friends, removed friends. You have to simply click here. After clicking here removed friends, you will can see here the list of friends whom you removed earlier on your Facebook as a friend. So they are now not your friend on Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.